Hello everyone. So in animation link, we have missed one thing. So in the previous session, I have told that we have done with everything, right? But we have this, right? Value display. Okay, let's see that. What is this value display? For example, see, this is a slider. So far we were increasing and decreasing. We were seeing the values. Fine. But if you want to display that value in some place, for example, take this tank. I want to display the level of the tank in some place. I can make use of this value display. So for that, get a text. Okay. Get a text here and just type hash. Fine. So once you have taken the text and you have typed hash, click on that. Go for value display. In that value display, go for analog and choose which tag you want to showcase. I want to show this level. Okay, so I'm choosing that level. Go for OK. Go for OK. Got it, guys? Same thing. You can take one switch. Take a switch and place it here. And for this switch, you have given the tag of SW1. If you want to show whether it is 1 or 0 in some place, you can choose this, keep it here and just type hash and go for discrete and choose the tag SW1. Okay, and whenever you want to give what on message, off message, if you want to give, you can type here. Fine. So for on message, you just type on. For off message, you just type off. Go for OK. Go for OK. Go for runtime now. Now can you see the level is 0 and the switch is off. Got it? If you turn on, it will change to on. If you increase this, can you see 78 here? Just increase to 100. It is also changing. Fine. So this is value display. If you off, it will off. Fine, guys. So this is value display. And we have one more option for string, right? String is also there. So for that, let's take one value displays and take a text display. Take message tag display and keep it over here. Just type some message. Okay, in touch. Go for memory message. Let it be as in touch. Fine. I'm just creating a new tag for this. Okay, and this one we have seen before, right? Like same thing only. Just give one. Let it be as okay, and take the same text. Keep it over here. Hash. If you want to display that, click on that. Go for string. Go for the same tag, whatever you have created for that. That's it. Go for OK. Runtime. What shortcut we have given for that? Key equivalent. That one we need to see first. Click on this. Yeah, I have given 1. I think 1 we have already used, right? So go for 8. Okay, so there is no keypad for this. So what I'm going to do means, previously we have used one technique, right? So just take something and just type something here. And for this, I have given the string. And this is 3, correct? String input and the shortcut is 3. Keypad is also there. Fine. Just go for runtime. Press on this. Just type something. It is here. But the string display we have given is not having the same tag name. See, for this I have used string input. And for this I have used some different tag name. in touch. So just change that to string input. Yeah, that's it. It is just displaying, okay? Don't confuse, it is not doing anything else. See, whatever you are doing here, that will be displayed here. That's it. Fine. So this is analog display. This is digital display. See, according to that, it will be changing its value. And same thing here, whatever you are typing, it is also having a keypad. Whatever you are typing, that will be displayed here. In multiple places, if you want to have a display of what is in that string, or the display of what is the status of the discrete value or analog value, whatever it is, you can make use of this value display. Okay, value display. And for this, you can make use of this text and put some hash. From that, you can tag it whatever you want. Got it, guys? This is value display. Fine. Right. So yeah, so you can practice this in the software. I'll meet you in the next session with another interesting topic. Fine. Thank you.